Okay, so we're in a Land Rover Defender. So the battery on these is under the seat, passenger side. In order to get to these, which is a little bit crazy, under the seat, put the seat all the way forward. You take off the negative terminal, 10 millimeter, unplug the plug. But the power one, so what you're going to do is you can't disconnect the power from under. You're going to have to take off the power where it meets right here, where it breaks. That's where you're going to take it off. That is a 13 millimeter. The rest are bolted 10s. Pull out your bracket. And then after take this off, and then we'll replace the battery. Pull this out. Then we'll go grab the new battery real quick. New battery is here. First thing we're going to do, put the power on. So you won't be able to get to it.